welcome to my channel. I'm Usha. This is a get ready video for a candlelight dinner on my 10th love anniversary. First I start with Artistry HYDRA V gel cream. Apply all around my face and my neck as well. Next, Body Shop Vitamin E Eye Cream.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand.
After that, I'm using Too Faced setting spray.
Now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
For foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm using my blending brush to blending everything in a nice way.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body.
L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Apply on underneath of my eyes, nose, forehead and chin. Blending away with my beauty blender.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and
then after, move on to the powder. I'm using my Inglot pressed powder.
And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat.
Next for contouring, I take the Balm Cosmetic bronzer powder.
Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body.
For my eyeshadow, today I'm using my Color Studio palette. I'm taking light brown shade and apply on my crease.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your
Then I'm taking the yellow shade, apply on my outer corner toward inner corner.
Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 Come on, be my baby.
Then I'm taking light green shade, pack it on to my eyelid.
The shape of you, we push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on, come on.
Next I'm taking Bosch eye pencil, apply on my water and lower lash line.
We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love.
Once again I take light green and yellow shade, apply on my lower lash line.
Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour, and how your family's doing okay. And leaving, getting a taxi, kissing the backseat.
For lashes, I'm using Sephora eyelashes.
Girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like
Next
a
is
magnet.
Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm Highlighter. I'm just apply on my inner corner and also on my brow bones area. Recently I just bought this in a small size.
I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Next, my blusher, I'm using Bourjois blusher. After that, I'm contouring my nose using the Balm Cosmetic bronzer powder.
Discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on.
Next highlighter, I'm using Becca Cosmetic highlighter.
Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be my baby, come on. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you.
Today I mix two shades for my lips. First one is from Catrice Ultimate Matte 01 and then next one is 0090. Sorry guys, my camera didn't focusing properly.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new.
Finally, I wanna set everything in place to stay longer with Too Faced setting spray. That's all everyone. Hope you all like this tutorial. If you like, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you and we'll see you all in my next video. Bye.